Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how you can enable vibration notifications for completed Chrome downloads on your Android device. This is a simple tweak that ensures you never miss an important file once it's finished downloading. Let's get started step by step. First, unlock your phone and head straight into your settings. This is where all the control options for your apps and system features are located. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find apps. Tap on it, and from the list of installed apps, look for Chrome. Since Chrome is one of the most used browsers on Android, it should appear clearly in the list. Tap on it to open its app-specific settings. Inside Chrome's app settings, the next option you need is Notifications. Tap on Notifications to enter the section where all Chrome-related alerts and categories are managed. Now, inside Notifications, you'll see something called Notification Categories. This is where Android groups different types of alerts so you can customize them individually. Tap on Notification Categories to open the full list. Scroll through until you see Completed Downloads. This category specifically controls how Chrome notifies you whenever a download finishes. Tap on Completed Downloads to open more options. Here, you'll notice a switch for Vibrate. By default, it may be turned off, which is why you might only be seeing a visual notification without any vibration. Go ahead and toggle Vibrate on. Once this is enabled, your phone will give you a subtle vibration every time Chrome completes downloading a file. That's it. You've successfully enabled vibration alerts for Chrome's completed downloads. Now, whenever you download a file, your phone won't just give you a silent notification. The vibration will make sure you notice right away. Thanks for watching.